Alright, so I got this little tape measure here. Do a little cleanup on. It's a steel tape. You see it's, boy, let's see here, 72 inches. I can't really make out what it's saying. Baldwin, handy rule. Let's get this cleaner up, see what we can't do with it. Alright, so this is a Baldwin handy rule, 72 inches. Hold blade to prevent snapback, guaranteed. So get this cleaned up. Now let's work on it so we can get the tape to actually work. Let's get that cleaned up too. Alright, this is just a really super simple cleanup here. Couldn't get all that pitting out, but I didn't really try real hard either. As far as the tape is, I mean, you got pitting on there. It wouldn't really clean up. I'll just leave this all oiled, but it says it's 72-inch rule. I can only get out to 69, that number. So, and it retracts really nice. So, thanks for watching.